Yeah, good day, fellow Southern Cameroonian, Ambazonian. Today, na number 10 day for inside the month of October 2025. So, this communication, the commander for ground zero here, for fighters and for ground here. We do want talk this one now for our civilian population. One the way they day all over the 13 county, the 13 state of Ambazonian, and one the way they day even for like public territory. Say we know una activity they una carry out there on daily basis. We know una daily activities them. So we the beg una, wa mami, wa papa them, wa brothers, wa sisters them, wa picking them even. So una stay away from anything like public. Una stay away from anything colonial leadership. We the beg una, say una no say we una picking them, una brothers them, una husband them, una wives them. Who enter this war and will fight for free homeland, not before turn gun for una. And that's why we always come back for tell una, update una on information about how the struggle they go. We know say tomorrow where they come, where we will call and say Sunday, na la Republic election day. So may una, our own people, una avoid anything where it concern like public. No be so. So. Because if we no go fit get una today, any defaulter wey go for election. If we no go fit get una today, we go get una tomorrow. No be so. So. If we no go fit get una today, we go get una tomorrow. So me any man, any our brother, una see this flag, na Ambazonian flag this. Na the country do all the fight for. I will go do all things for protect this flag. We then have to do all that affair. When I don't hear Chuguma don't talk say he be sorry for say he don't support the like public government. For say me they be against Ambazonia. No be so. So if we da get sense, we da get for understand say all that one na their politics them. For say me they win una heart, me they buy una conscience. So me everybody be very careful towards this time of like public election. We say no to any church. We say no to any church beginning from tomorrow Saturday right up to the end for Sunday. Nobody not get nothing for do with churches. Nobody not get nothing for doing Jangi house. Nobody not get nothing for do any meeting group. No be so. That's so. So we go thank una because we don't already pass message or pass avona. Here where the air place, no the big land go live. No be so. That's so. As a wana, as a bomb, it's a milli. Yes, we will end the talk for talk say weti. Long live the Federal Republic of Ambazonian and short live the struggle. As a wana, as a wana, as a bomb, it's a milli. No be so? When I play the day, Amber forces them.